my name is Serena, and today I'm going to be making soft, fluffy pancakes. This shows that even a 9-year-old kid can make some delicious pancakes for their deserving parents. Now, as you can see, we'll be needing 6 eggs, 1 out of 4 cup of oil, 1 out of 3 cup of milk, 1 out of 3 cup of plain flour, also called all-purpose flour, and 1 out of 3 cup of corn flour. And we will also be needing 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, here is some of the equipment we will be needing. A spatula, a whisk, and 2 bowls. You notice how they are different around the edge, and this electric egg beater. Now we're going to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Now this may be difficult. It's actually quite difficult for me too, but after some practice you should get it. Whoa, and try and make sure there's no egg yolk in the egg white, because it will make it much more difficult to beat it later with the egg beater. Now I think we've got enough. There, nice and clean. So now we're going to add our 1 out of 4 cup of oil into the egg yolk. You want to mix it up nice and smoothly with the egg yolk. I'm trying to get all of this oil in. There, that should be enough. Anyway, what's done is done. Now you should mix it up nicely. It should turn into an orangey kind of taste when it's mixed up. Next thing, you're going to add the milk. Whoa. Great, I might just scrape it a bit. There. Now mix up the milk. Now this is the flour. Add in the flour. Oops, there's still some at the bottom. Make sure you get as much flour in as you can. A little bit might stick, but yeah. And try and mix it nicely enough. Make sure there's not too many big lumpy bits. So now let's mix it up a bit. There. And now that this is the corn flour, let's add it all in. Whoa. And there's quite a lot sticking here, you see. It's coming together quite nicely. It's a little thick now. You can see how it's thick. Now you can see I've beaten up my egg yolk, my flour, and my corn flour, and look at how smooth it is. It's quite smooth and it runs down like liquid, and there's no tiny lumps or anything, and it's all mixed in very well. Now I have the egg white here and a lemon. This is a tip if you want to speed up the process. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. However, if you do not have a lemon, you can replace it with white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now I'm just going to squeeze it. So, squeeze and done. And now I'm going to start beating. Now you want to put, and on my egg beater, there are different levels, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to switch it all the way to 5, and you want to beat it now. You want to, for the start, switch it to 5. It is quite loud! Now I've got this partly foamy kind of mixture, and this is when you can add the sugar. It's very, like when you take it off, there's a slight kind of ripple, like a wave. Now add in all the sugar and start beating at level 3 over here. See? Medium. It's medium or level 3. And look at how fluffy it looks. Right, you might want to get this off though. So that is where the spatula comes in. You can also use a smaller one to get it off. Probably works better, but yeah, it's quite annoying, to be honest. So now you're going to add the egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture. And first I'm going to add 1/3, then I'm going to add the rest. So here we go. Whoa, this is a bit hard. Yeah, this is about 1/3. Now you mix it up nicely. It's getting light now. You can see it. Try and fold it. Like, try and get the mixture from the bottom and then fold it onto the top like this. You don't have to mix it that well at first because you're going to mix it out anyway, so let's have the rest of this mixture. And let's go. Now, if you didn't beat it properly, if there's still some juice, you should beat it. Now, when you're done mixing the egg yolk and the egg white mixtures together, you should get this kind of palish yellow paste, but it's watery and it flows. Now, you're ready to fry it and eat it after frying. Now we are ready to fry the pancakes. I have my pancake mixture here and a non-stick frying pan. But please, before you do anything, make sure you are safe doing this. And if you don't feel confident or comfortable doing this, then you can ask an adult to help you or to watch you while you're doing this. Now first, you turn on the lighter. It should have a clicking sound like this. And you should see a flame light up. Now you might want to heat the pan a bit before you start putting on the pancake mixture. Now you get about 1 spoon of this pancake mixture, and that'll be enough because if it's too thick, it won't be yummy. Now make sure it's not too much. I think I might just let a little go. Right. And now you add it onto the pancake. Make sure it doesn't drip, so bad if it does. It will spread, and you fry it for about 45 seconds on each side. And when it is about to get ready, you should see some little holes popping up here, there, and then popping. Some holes popping. Let's just wait for a little more. Oh, not ready yet. Don't think it is. Let's try. Should be ready soon. Let's try it. Yep. And flip it. See? It's quite nice. And it'll just take a few seconds for the other side to flip. Now let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's ready. And see? This part isn't brown, but doesn't have to be.
Well, it's not maple, it's golden, but same thing, really. Now this is really soft and fluffy. You can see how soft, and you can really see its softness. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!